Welcome to Spray Shack. This is the Phasm Light, spelled P-H-A-S-M, Phasm Light. So this is made by Ghost Stop. It has a built-in rechargeable battery, comes with a USB-C cable to charge it. And for attaching this, you have magnets all the way around the perimeter. So you can attach it to pretty much any camera or video camera or rig or tripod or anything that's made of metal. Just stick straight on. It's also got the 1/4 inch female thread, so you can attach it to a lot of cameras that way. It was actually designed for the Phasm camera, also designed by Ghost Stop. But you can use this light with any camera, or even just as a light. This is the best light in the world for ghost hunters. Most ghost hunters, if you've got all the kit you need, you're going to have a full spectrum camera with a full spectrum light. You're going to have a night vision camera with a night vision light. You're going to have standard cameras with normal lights. You might even have green lights and red lights depending on the environment. You need a green light if you're like in the woods to keep insects away. You might want a red light, just 'cause it looks a bit more creepy and gives you a bit more of a vibe. Obviously your infrared for night vision, and the IR plus UV for your full spectrum. So if you get this light, you don't need any of the lights. It does everything. The brightness is adjustable. You can pick between every single colour of light. So you've got red, orange, yellow, green, dark blue, light blue, purple and standard white, which obviously includes all of those. So you just flick this switch on there to choose the colour you want. You've also got ultraviolet on and off. So you can have ultraviolet on its own on and off, or infrared on its own on or off, or any of these on their own, or with a combination of any of the others. So if you want full spectrum, you'd obviously put it in white, which includes all the visible light, plus UV, plus IR. If you wanted to film in night vision mode, just IR. So there you go. So we'll turn it on just to give you a little brief demonstration. So you've got the power indicator bar, the top right. It's telling you there, infrared lights are off, UV lights are off, brightness is set to 100%, that varies as you move the slider, and the lights down here are also set to off, so we can put it on red. So you've got the red light. It's brighter than it looks, it's just because it's bright in here at the moment. Obviously if it was night time and the lights were off in here, it'd look brighter. So we've got red, orange, yellow, green, dark blue, light blue, purple, white. Ultraviolet can't. The human eyes can only see a small portion of the ultraviolet wavelength. So the UV will look really dim, but it's a lot brighter if you're using a full spectrum camera. And the infrared, humans can't see at all, and neither can standard cameras. Only a night vision camera or a full spectrum camera can see that. But yeah, if I turn both of those on, so we've got the UV and IR. The UV lights are in the centre, and the IR lights are on their perimeter. It doesn't look like they're on just because you can't see it with the human eyes, and this is just standard camera. Yeah, if you want to film in full spectrum mode, everything on. There you go, and that is full spectrum. Obviously, it'll be a lot brighter as well with a full spectrum camera, because obviously this camera I'm using and my eyes can't see any of the infrared or most of the ultraviolet. So if you want one of these, I'll leave a link in the video description, and thanks for watching.